Well, Dean, it looks like it's grub time again.
Yes.
What did you prepare for us this installment?
Egg white omelet with, I think it's got bacon,
This
cheese,
one?
and spinach. Yeah, the lighter one.
Mm.
And I'm going to call that other omelet the jumbo
Okay.
omelet. It has ground beef, spinach, cheese, mushrooms, the kitchen sink.
It looks good and it looks filling. And what about the burrito?
And we have the burrito there. It's what I did was I took everything that was left from those two and put them in a burrito.
Okay.
Time saving. The meal looks great. I think the children
You know
will
what?
enjoy
It
it.
does look great, and you know what? I need to go ahead and dig in. And what I think I'm gonna try here, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna go ahead and try this burrito.
Okay,
That's what
well
I'm
maybe
gonna
I'll
do
try
first.
the other one then.
All right.
See
And
what
what do we have here?
These are diced tomatoes with jalapenos, so it could get a little hot.
It
So
might
if
be
you
a little
don't
hot,
like
but
them,
you know
don't
what?
do it.
I'll try just a little bit.
You can get diced tomatoes without the jalapenos.
I'll-
Here, I'll let you do your own
I'll
poison.
do just a little bit. There we go.
Wow. Okay, let me get a napkin since I got a feeling.
Okay.
I'm gonna need
I'm
one.
I'm gonna go ahead and dig in.
Mm.
Mm. Mm. Mm. This is good.
Mm.
It's good. I really like the spinach.
Very good. Mm.
I can definitely taste the spinach.
And you can taste my garlic even though it was chopped and
I can
dried.
taste-
My onions.
You know, I can taste the dried garlic, but you know fresh is best. Minced, you know, chopping up fresh garlic would really set this off.
At the dollar store, mince is 50 cents. We want something we can afford. I'm going to quit with this one and go to the other two because if I eat all of this, I may not want any
That's
of
true.
that.
You know
Okay?
what? Let me put that down for a little bit.
So I'm gonna-
and I'm gonna try just a little bit of both.
Okay. Well, why don't we just cut them?
Yeah.
And
Here,
then
let's
that
cut
way
it because
we'll.
we just here.
Okay.
This is a lot of food,
It is.
and I'm just gonna cut this.
Yeah, it looks like a quesadilla there.
It does look like a quesadilla. And this one,
That's the jumbo.
that's the. You know what? Everything will probably spill out when I
Yeah,
cut
and we can share that one with someone. I'm gonna get this
Okay.
little piece right
it. Here we
here.
go. Let's do this.
Okay.
Oh, see, I didn't get it all. It's
Yeah.
already falling apart.
I'm gonna turn it around
Let me,
through.
here, no,
Okay.
let me get the egg white one. This is
Okay.
the egg white, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, now, I can eat eggs with yolk, but I'm going to try this egg white one just to see how it is. Because, you know, we all can stand to watch our cholesterol.
Mm. I'm eating the other one.
It's good.
Just as good.
It is good. I like that. Tastes a little salty. Did you put salt in it?
Oh, I didn't.
Really?
And
How'd you get that salty flavor?
It must be the bacon, cheese.
Bacon. That's what it is. Definitely.
Did you hear him say salt? When he's a no salt guy, I'm the salt person,
No.
and I cooked this whole meal without putting salt in it. And,
Which-
except for the eggs.
Which you ought to be commended. I just, you know, I tasted some salt, and it's the bacon, but it's good, and
It's good.
that's all, folks. Once again, watch some of our other webisodes. View our entire web channel, Cooking with Ty and Dean. And if you have questions, always feel free to write to us at tyandean@gmail.com. And also, check out our new website. Details will follow.
And I'm going to do a dessert the next time for us diabetics that really want something sweet.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take care.
Delicious. I need some more of this burrito.
I don't know that burrito.
That's my favorite.
Just